In primetime news this evening, government to give consideration to beach access rights in revised constitution. Kingston Western Police Division under 48-hour curfew. And Wavell Hines bows out of Southeast St. Anne runoff.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, after another meeting of the Monetary Policy Committee of the Bank of Jamaica, it's decided to hold the policy interest rate at 7%. I'll give you the reason behind the decision a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Karen Madden, welcome, is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. You should be telling me
welcome. Thank you, Archie, and welcome. Now, with the national trials a week away, the sports ministry has pledged much needed financial support. I'm going to tell you all about it later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking what should be done to ensure Jamaicans have easier and free access to local beaches.
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.